Are you tired of constantly juggling your investments and unsure if you're making the right choices for the future? Imagine having a portfolio that not only grows your wealth but gives you peace of mind, all while requiring little to no active management. In this video, I'm going to share with you the best Vanguard ETFs you can hold forever, and just how much a simple $10,000 investment in each one could grow into over the years. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll discover an ETF that has the potential to turn your $10,000 into over $2 million, with monthly dividends of $45,600. Vanguard is one of the most trusted names in the investment world, known for its investor-first approach, low expense ratios, and consistent long-term performance. These features have made Vanguard ETFs a favorite choice among both beginner and seasoned investors alike. The key advantage of Vanguard ETFs lies in their combination of diversification and low costs. Whether you're looking to invest in high-growth technology sectors or more stable, undervalued small-cap stocks, Vanguard has options that are designed to fit your strategy. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 4 of the top Vanguard ETFs, each tailored to provide impressive returns over the long run. We'll explore how much a $10,000 investment in each of these ETFs could grow into, along with some eye-opening facts that could change the way you think about your financial future. If you want more tips on building wealth, hit the subscribe button. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. Starting at number 4, we have Vanguard Growth Index Fund ETF shares, with the ticker symbol VUG-, a top choice for investors looking to maximize long-term capital appreciation through growth stocks. VUG offers a low dividend yield of 0.52%, but its real strength lies in its growth potential. Over the last 5 years, VUG has achieved a compound annual growth rate, CAGR, of 4.48%, while its 10-year CAGR stands at 4.84%, showing steady long-term growth. This ETF is particularly attractive due to its ultra-low expense ratio of just 0.04%, ensuring more of your investment is put to work, with minimal costs eating into your returns. VUG's dividend growth rate is an impressive 99.59%, making it not only a growth vehicle but also a promising source of increasing dividends over time. What makes VUG truly stand out is its strategic focus on large-cap growth stocks, with over 400 companies in its portfolio. These are high-potential companies expected to grow faster than the overall market, particularly in the tech sector, which dominates VUG. Currently, VUG's top holdings feature some of the most influential and innovative companies in the world. Apple Inc. accounts for 12.90% of the total assets. Microsoft Corporation makes up 12.40%. NVIDIA Corporation represents 10.91%. Amazon.com, Inc. contributes 4.88%. Meta Platforms, Inc. holds 4.15% of the portfolio. Alphabet Incorporated, Class A and C combined, covers over 7.32% of the assets. Other significant holdings include Tesla Motors, 2.52%, and Visa Inc., 1.63%. With technology taking up nearly half of VUG's holdings, around 50%, it provides substantial exposure to companies driving the future of innovation. In addition to technology, VUG has diversified exposure to sectors such as communication services, consumer discretionary, and healthcare. Now let's break down what a $10,000 investment in VUG could look like over time. In 1 year, your investment could grow to approximately $10,484. After 10 years, that $10,000 could multiply into around $16,020, benefiting from the consistent growth of top-tier tech giants. In 30 years, you could see your portfolio grow to a staggering $41,100, making VUG a powerhouse for long-term investors looking to build wealth. By tracking the CRSP US Large Cap Growth Index, VUG is positioned to capture the performance of market leaders that dominate their industries and are poised for continuous growth. This ETF's focus on large-cap stocks, combined with its low costs and diversified exposure, makes it an excellent option for investors who want to grow their wealth with minimal fees. Next, let's dive into number 3, the Vanguard Russell 1000 Growth Index Fund ETF, VONG, which offers diversified exposure to the top growth stocks within the Russell 1000 index. VONG focuses on capturing the growth potential of large-cap U.S. companies, making it a powerful tool for long-term investors seeking capital appreciation. This ETF tracks companies that are expected to deliver above-average earnings growth, driven by industry-leading innovation and market dominance. As of today, VONG's top 10 holdings make up 59.92% of the fund's total assets, with a heavy concentration in technology and consumer services. Here's a breakdown of its major holdings. Apple Inc., 12.23% of total assets. Microsoft Corporation, 11.78%. NVIDIA Corporation, 10.54%. Amazon.com, Inc., 6.58%. Meta Platforms, Inc., 3.94%. Alphabet Inc., Class A, 3.82%. Alphabet Inc., Class C, 3.23%. Broadcom Inc., 2.77%. These tech-driven companies are not only leaders in their respective fields, but are also well-positioned to benefit from future trends in artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and digital advertising. VONG's historical performance shows steady growth, with a 10-year compound annual growth rate (CAGR) of 6.24%, making it an attractive option for investors seeking long-term capital appreciation. It also offers a dividend yield of 0.66%, adding a modest income component to your returns. With a highly competitive expense ratio of 0.08%, VONG ensures that more of your investment is funneled into growth rather than fees, making it an efficient choice for cost-conscious investors. Now let's look at how a $10,000 investment in VONG could grow over time. In 1 year, the investment would grow to around $10,624. After 10 years, your portfolio could reach a value of $18,318, reflecting steady growth from its diverse large-cap holdings. After 30 years, the portfolio could potentially grow to $61,467, providing substantial long-term growth. VONG's strategy of focusing on high-growth companies within the Russell 1000 index, paired with its low expense ratio and diversified exposure to key sectors, makes it an excellent choice for investors looking to build wealth over the long term. With top holdings in tech leaders like Apple, Microsoft, and NVIDIA, this ETF captures the powerhouses driving modern innovation and growth. Now at number 2, Vanguard Information Technology Index Fund ETF, VGT, an ETF specifically designed to capture the growth potential of the technology sector. VGT is a non-diversified ETF, meaning it is heavily concentrated in the technology industry, which makes up 99.23% of its holdings, with minimal exposure to other sectors like industrials 0.37% and financial services 0.26%. VGT offers investors a unique opportunity to invest in some of the world's leading technology companies that are driving innovation in fields like artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and semiconductors. This ETF is tailored for investors seeking significant long-term growth from tech-focused companies. The top 10 holdings in VGT represent a large portion of the fund's total assets. Apple Inc., 17.23%, Microsoft Corporation, 15.85%, NVIDIA Corporation, 14.09%, Broadcom Inc., 4.75%, Salesforce Inc., 1.68%, Adobe Inc., 1.67%, Advanced Micro Devices Inc., 1.56%, Oracle Corporation, 1.54%. These companies dominate the tech landscape, leading advancements in cloud computing, semiconductors, software, and hardware. With top names like Apple, Microsoft, and NVIDIA accounting for a significant share of the portfolio, VGT is ideally positioned to capitalize on the growth of the tech industry. VGT's dividend yield is currently 0.69%, which is relatively high for a growth-focused ETF. More importantly, its 10-year compound annual growth rate, CAGR, of 14.63% indicates its strong potential for significant capital appreciation. Now let's break down what a $10,000 investment in VGT could look like over time. In 1 year, your investment could grow to approximately $11,463. After 10 years, the investment could multiply into around $39,299. In 30 years, the portfolio could reach a remarkable $654,089, showing the power of long-term investing in the technology sector. With an expense ratio of just 0.1%, VGT remains a cost-effective option for tech-focused investors. By keeping expenses low, this ETF ensures that more of your returns are reinvested rather than being lost to fees, maximizing your potential growth. For anyone looking to invest in the future of technology, VGT offers a strong growth opportunity with a well-diversified selection of tech giants. Finally, at number 1 in our list, the Vanguard S&P Small-Cap 600 Value Index Fund ETF, VIOV. VOV focuses on small-cap value stocks, which are companies that are typically overlooked by the broader market, but offer significant growth potential as they gain recognition. VIOV targets the S&P Small-Cap 600 Value Index, which consists of U.S. companies with strong value characteristics such as low price-to-book ratios, high dividend yields, and lower price-to-earnings ratios compared to their peers. These companies often have untapped potential and are poised for future growth. While VIOV may not have the same brand recognition as large-cap ETFs, its focus on smaller companies makes it a valuable tool for portfolio diversification. By investing in smaller, undervalued firms, VIOV provides exposure to businesses that can grow at a faster rate than established companies. The top 10 holdings in VIOV represent a smaller percentage of the total assets compared to growth ETFs, reflecting the diversity within the small-cap space. The fund includes companies across various sectors, with significant allocations in financials, industrials, and consumer discretionary sectors. VIOV has a dividend yield of 2.21%, which provides investors with a steady income stream, while they wait for the value of these small-cap stocks to appreciate. It also boasts a strong 10-year compound annual growth rate, CAGR, of 16.87%, showing its potential for both income and growth over the long term. Let's break down what a $10,000 investment in VIOV could look like over time. In 1 year, your investment would grow to approximately $11,687. After 10 years, the portfolio could reach a value of $47,149, reflecting the strong growth potential of small-cap value stocks. In 30 years, that $10,000 investment could grow into a substantial $826,576, offering significant long-term appreciation. With a low expense ratio of 0.15%, VIOV is an affordable way to gain exposure to the small-cap value market, allowing you to keep more of your returns while still benefiting from the fund's active management. VIOV offers exposure to sectors that are typically underrepresented in large-cap growth funds, such as financials and industrials, which means this ETF adds another layer of diversification to your portfolio. Historically, small-cap value stocks have outperformed during economic recoveries, making VIOV a great choice for investors seeking to capitalize on future market growth. By investing in VIOV, you're targeting companies with lower valuations but higher growth potential, making it an excellent option for those looking to build wealth through undervalued assets. By now, you've seen how these top Vanguard ETFs can transform a simple $10,000 investment into impressive long-term gains. Whether you're looking for high-growth opportunities with VUG, diversified exposure to tech leaders with VGT, broad market growth with VONG, or untapped potential in small-cap value stocks with VIOV, these ETFs offer powerful ways to build a robust, diversified portfolio. The key takeaway: with Vanguard's low expense ratios, strong historical performance, and sector-focused strategies, you can confidently invest in these ETFs and let time do the heavy lifting. If you're serious about growing your wealth while minimizing risk, now's the time to take action. Imagine the potential in 10, 20, or even 30 years by making smart, informed investments today. If you found this breakdown helpful and want more insights on how to navigate the world of ETFs and investing, make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell. That way, you'll never miss the latest updates and strategies to help you achieve your financial goals.